really quick tip on how to keep the grass down around the base of your fruit trees without using weed killers. I don't know if this is healthy. Put it in the comments if you know more about this than me, but I did it accidentally and it worked beautifully and my trees seem more healthy from it. So I'm gonna tell you what I did. I'll show you how well it worked. You tell me in the comments if I shouldn't be doing this, because I really didn't research it, but I thought I'd show you because I didn't mean to, but this helped me all summer. So I have these young fruit trees that I planted everywhere, and my husband's a little rough with the weed eater and things like that, so I did put these little things on it. They help some, but I usually end up having to clean up around it to keep the grass down, which is not fun, of course. But I did something about 2 to 3 months ago. I put some triple 13 down around the base of these trees. It was supposed to rain within an hour of me putting it, so I didn't water it in. I just threw a pretty thick layer around the base of each of the trees, and I left it thinking, okay, the rain will water it in within 30 minutes to an hour anyway. Well, it didn't rain and I forgot about it. Didn't rain for about 2 days. So by the time they got watered in, the nitrogen in that fertilizer had burnt the grass to a crisp. Triple 13 is not all that strong, so it didn't hurt the trees. You know, and they're pretty established in the roots, and they're, you know, the fertilizer was on the surface, the roots are under the ground. It didn't hurt them at all, but it killed the grass dead. And it has been almost 3 months since I did it, and there's still no grass around these trees. So that worked beautifully. It killed the grass around them all summer, and the trees flourished because they got fertilizer. There was no weed killer, it didn't hurt it. So worked for me. I may do it again. Of course, like I said, I haven't researched it. I really don't know a whole lot about this. Let me know in the comments. I'm sure somebody's gonna say, don't do that. I don't know. It worked, and they liked it. I'm gonna keep doing it.